These aren't my eyes, they're contacts, but if they'd be my own eyes, that'd be so cool. Hello and welcome back to my channel, where we always do some weird things to our hair. My last few dyeing videos kind of had like a goal behind them. They had kind of like an inspiration color, whatever. I finally got my dream hair. Today it's going to just mostly be just me playing around with hair colors because I'm kind of bored. My hair is kind of in that in-between phase where it's like kind of fading out. Mainly I'm bored. So in my last video I dyed my hair emerald. I really loved how it turned out. It was a beautiful emerald bluish shade of hair. It was such a dream color of mine. I achieved it using the Arctic Fox color. Unfortunately, all the green kind of faded out from my hair, leaving me with mainly just the blue bits. I've already had blue for quite a long time, so today I'm basically just going to dye my hair all green. I'm going to be going in with only Arctic Fox Phantom Green. I don't think I'm going to be diluting it at all. It is a semi-permanent hair color, which means it requires no peroxide to activate it, which also means it's literally not damaging at all to the hair. In fact, it is composed of mainly conditioners, pigmented conditioner basically. So it's also going to treat our hair, which I kind of need. So yeah, I'm going to link this bad boy down below. In the event that you also want to dye your hair really random green. My hair is basically a large concoction of different shades of blue. I have quite a nice rich icier blue up at the root. Over here I kind of have the remnants of that emerald-ish, now mainly teal-ish green. However, the whole thing has kind of just like lost my appeal. Without further ado, I'm just gonna jump straight into this video. Everything's going to be down in the description box below, and yeah, let's go. Why are my gloves blue? I swear to God, every time I dye my hair, it's something weird happens. This time around, right, I added no blue anywhere. Yeah, my gloves are bright blue. This is blue, this is green. Is this pigment from my previous dye? I'm assuming, I'm gonna have to assume this is color that has broken up now from my previous color and attached itself to my, whatever. I want to leave this on for maybe an hour. There isn't really like a time limit with semi-permanent color because there's nothing that's really processing. It's just basically the longer you leave it, the more it'll go into your hair. And I'll be back, wash it, let it air dry, and come back tomorrow and see what the hell we created. Welcome to green. This video, this color actually was very impromptu in the sense that I was only doing it because I knew I was going to eventually change completely from this kind of a color spectrum. So I decided to give the green like kind of a final go. I wasn't really like anticipating that I'd like it or that it would turn out good, but holy hell, do I like it! So this is my new color. I mean, I'm not gonna make a big fuss about it because obviously the whole like end goal, the whole like big color reveal was obviously the emerald. So this is kind of like more of an afterthought, but I actually really like this shade of green. It is definitely a lot more on the green side. I felt like the emerald was a lot more blue toned. This is kind of like green in its full essence. I'm really like proud of myself. Last year I would have found these colors like just a bit too much for me, just a bit too like shocking, and now here I am trying out like the whole entire color spectrum. I definitely wanted more of a messy look because I felt like green is a messy color. I mean, you're not gonna go for like an elegant look when you have green hair. My roots are significantly greener than my ends definitely have a lot more of like that blue kind of a tone. However, I feel like this was already like an emerald color before I dyed it. I'm not gonna say I encourage you guys to try it out because I know green is a lot more kind of a bit of a gutsy color, mainly because there's a lot of room for it to go bad. However, as I said, I really was not like anticipating anything to go particularly good in this video, so you know, sometimes it can go good. I'm going to link the entire procedure down in the description box below, even though it really is a simple one. All I did to style my hair was I took my straightener and I just alternately curled my hair, and then I really roughly shook it out. Obviously, you do have to have short hair for it to garner this much volume. Yep, that is about it. I am now going to go and enjoy myself because I feel really cute. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you'll give it a go, and I will see you in my next video.